Now, if your Instagram account is private, then it means people will not be able to see your content. So if you want to make it public so that anyone can see your content, then simply launch Instagram on your phone and then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your profile page, and then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Account Privacy, tap on that, and to make your account public, then you need to turn off the private account option. So when you see private account, turn that off, and then it's going to ask you, do you want to switch to public account, which means anyone can see your posts, reels, and stories. And again, it's going to give you some more information, like this won't change your handle and people can't reuse all or part of your posts. So all that stuff, you can just tap on switch to public, and when that's turned off, it means your Instagram account is now public. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.